Okay, welcome to CSONS at Home. Let's see what we've got. So we're going down a South American route again this week. We've got mackerel escabeche, some fennels or braised fennel, some Shropshire microgreens, some arepas that are like a kind of fried bread almost, and some crème fraîche with chipotle on it. Okay, so first things first, we've got our oven on quite hot, which we're just going to use to warm the fish through. The fish came out nice. It's in the oven about 190. I'm going to get my pan nice and hot here, and we're just going to sort of sear off the fennel. It won't take long in this pan to get hot, so. Just going to try and get a little bit of a charring on each side, and then we're going to pop our arepas in the oven with the fish to warm up. Okay, so we've got a nice bit of colour on those now. Going to put a little bit more of the sauce in, just to deglaze, so we don't waste that nice juice in there. So yeah, I think our fish is warm, our bread's nice and warm. Let's get plating. I'll start off with my fennel. Just lay it in. I'm sure you've got a better thing at home to do this with, but pop our arepa next to it. I've left the chipotle sort of separate so you can mix it in if you want, or you can take some of it out, however you want to do it, but I'm just going to scoop it like that and do a bit on top. Same that side. Finally, I'll just take my microgreens, pop them into the last of the pickled fennel to use as a bit of a dressing. That up.